This is day 2 and we have 3 basic coding math problems, which is how to reverse a number and Armstrong number, check for prime number. So let's get started with reverse a number. Into the reverse a number, let's see what are mod and divide in Python. Modulus and divide in Python works. So let's take a number like 246, okay, and let's do mod by 10. So mod is basically it gives the remainder, so it gives the remainder to be simplified. And basically what divide does is, in Python, it gives the quotient, which is 24.6 here, right? And if you do it double slashes, you only get a rounded value, which is 24. It will ignore the decimals. So these are the basic things. So it gives so this modulus gives the remainder, and the divide gives the quotient, as you can see. So if you modulus 10 do it with 10, right, you always get the last number, which is 6 here. And when you divide it by 10, right, you always remove the last number. So if you remove the last number, you get 24. Okay, just remember this. Whenever you will be doing modulus 10, you will be getting the last number out of it, and whenever be doing double slashes, which is divide, you will be removing the last number, and you just get the other remaining numbers. Okay, so we're gonna use this, and right, so let's dive into the problem now. So what we need to do is, we need to reverse a number. Suppose we take 246 number as an input, okay, which will be I. Okay, as I said, if we do modulus 10, right, we get the last number. So we need to do it reverse, right? So if we do it reverse, we get 462. So first number would be what, 6, right? So in order to have the last number, we do modulus 10. So let's say I have a variable mod, okay, and this what it does is, I have input I modulus what, 10. So which gives me what, 6, right? For first, if I do it, it will give me 6, right? So I'll just, what I do it, I'll just save it in in reverse, I mean in reverse variable, okay, which is mod, right? Okay, so now what I need to do is, I wanted to now remove this 6, because for the next time I need to do it for only 2 and 4. So after 6, I need to have 4, right? So I need to remove 6 for that. So in order to removing 6, I have already told you that what you can do is, you can divide it by 10. Okay, so if you divide it by 10, right, so divide it by 10, so you'll be getting 24.6. If you do it double slashes, you will be ignoring decimals, and you will be getting 24. You will be getting 24. Okay, and so right now in the reverse variable, you have 6, right? You have 6. Okay, so now just repeat this process until you reach the last number, which is 2, right? Until you reach the last number, which is 2. So here now, thus my current input is 2 4, right? Because I have removed after dividing it by 10 and also assigning it to I, now it is 2 4, right? So I'll just remove it. And do this, as I said, do it until it gets the reach its last digit. Okay, further you can you can have a condition for while I is equal to 0, right? So I is equal to 0, I is not equal to 0 until you reach 0. Okay, so now what you can do is, so my input variable is 2 4, right? So for 2 4, if I do it 2 4, right, for 2 4 mod of 10, it gives me 2, right? It gives me what, 2 4 2 2 I mean, sorry, 4 4, sorry. It gives me 4, so I'll be getting the last value, right? So I'll be getting 4. And here I need to put this 4 number beside 6. For that, what we can do is, you can easily multiply by 10, right, plus add this mod, add this, whatever you get the remainder, you can add it. Why I'm doing is this, because so you know that 246, this is units place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, right? And I want to make this 4 to be in tens place. So for that, what I do is 6 into 10 plus the digit, whatever the digit I get from mod, right? So I'll just I'll be just adding it. So right now, after I'll be using this formula. So the formula will be what? The formula will be my current variable, which is reverse, into 10 plus what? Mod, right? Mod. So I'll be adding, multiplying by 10, and whatever be the variable I'm having currently, that into 10 plus mod. So this is what I'm doing, which is what? 60 plus 4, which is what? 64, right? And I want to remove the last variable. For that, I'm doing it by 10, and I have only 2 now. So again, it goes in for the loop. I have the input variable now, 2. Now for 2, if I do it by 2, I mean modulus 10, I'll be getting the answer 2, and so currently in the reverse, I'm having 64, right? So if I do, if I apply our formula, reverse, which is 64 into 10, so we want 2 uh, 2 to be in hundreds place, right? So that's why I'm doing it into 10 plus 2, which is what? 640 plus 2, which is 642, and it will exit the loop, and our answer is 642, right? So this is the formula we are going to apply. So which is what? First we are doing modulus 10, and later we are doing divided by 10. Before that, in order to be in sequence, I mean in reverse mode, we are multiplying it by 10 plus the whatever the remainder that coming, we are adding it. So here is the here is the code. So I have the number and the reversed number are equal to 0, and while number is less than equal to 0, I mean not equal to 0, I need to get looped in. So as I said, it will get 0 right here. So after dividing it, you will be getting 0, right? So you will be getting 0, and if our while loop exits, because n is equal to 0 now, number is equal to 0, it exits the loop, and whatever be in the reversed number, so it will be displaying. So let's try it out. Just do Python 3 reverse number, and I said 1 2 3 4, so I got 4 3 2 1. So this is it, guys. I hope you understand.